Hello, and this is a review for the Jensen VM9414. As you can see, this is a 1-DIN radio replacement for your car. It features a built-in GPS, as well as CD, DVD, iPod connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, which is not included in the package. I'll open the unit here. Here we have an open button. Display button changes what's on the screen. There's the clock now. We have different bands for the radio on that side. So I'll open the unit. Okay. And as you can see, this is how I usually play the music, is through the USB. I have a USB cable coming from the outside of the unit from the back down through, and this was supplied by Jensen. I have my flash drive plugged into there. I'm probably going to mount that right here. And that's also where you would connect your iPod, is right to that. So this is the screen. As you can see, pretty self-explanatory. You can actually have root folders so you can organize your music. So here's that. You can change your bass and everything through this menu here. So that is how you play USB. Here is the GPS functionality. Pretty standard looking screen, nothing fancy. You can switch to a top view and a more 3D style view on that side, which is kind of nice. They supplied a GPS antenna that I ran through the car up into the top of the window there. I always get full GPS signal. I'm not sure if I ran it somewhere else if I would, but that's good with that. As far as GPS goes, recalculation time was a little slow compared to other units that I've tested, but nothing to detract too much from the unit. Comes with a lot of point of interest information. You can specify your state, category, city. Just type in something like Walmart, and then search. Sort by distance, and it'll pick up the nearest Walmart. We'll choose that one just to show you start route.
In 0.1 mile, right turn.
Okay. And it's pretty easy. You get text-to-speech, road names, and you can choose also not to have the text-to-speech road names, Spanish, English, anything you would want there. That's pretty much GPS, pretty standard GPS setup there. There's a little nav button down here, which is pretty nice. It seems like the navigation runs in the background all the time, so it's pretty very quick transition from GPS to whatever you want to do, music, radio, DVD. Pretty easy transition there. There's a mute button down here also, and then forward and reverse for your music there. SD card input on the bottom, AV in on the bottom. Okay, and there's radio. And I also have a rear view camera hooked up. You hit the rear view camera button, and when I shift into reverse, actually, I don't have my car on, so let me put it on real quick. When you shift into reverse, the reverse comes up. Pretty good looking screen. That's how that works. And that is pretty much it. You have AV1 in, AV2 in. You can use that to set up rear view monitors on the back of the headrests if you have people in the back that want to see something through the DVD player. I also wired it so we could watch DVDs on this unit also, of course when it's in park. and the aspect ratio is really good. Sound through all the speakers. Another feature that's nice about having an in-dash GPS is if you're running the navigation, it'll interrupt your music to tell you what to do. So that's something you get from an in-dash unit when you wouldn't get from a standard and clip on the windshield unit. So that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And that is the Jensen VM9414.